turn any makeup look into Halloween makeup in no time, whether it's glam makeup, pastel makeup, or just everyday makeup. So this is how to draw something for Halloween super easily without having to take your makeup off if maybe you're going to work in the morning and then attending a Halloween party in the evening. I will show you a few designs. You can paint them all, or you can just go with the one you like most. For the eye makeup, I have this situation going on, just a regular wing. If you're not wearing a wing yet, just paint your regular one as you normally would. And just take that same eyeliner, or like a similar color. You can take a black, preferably if it's liquid, or a felt tip. Definitely not a pencil one, because that will make your life so much harder. And then we'll just start painting. I have a Halloween mirror, by the way, from Hocus Pocus. We will just start painting kind of a spider web here. So your wing that exists will be one of the parts of the spider web. So just paint your lines, some up and some down. And now that you have this going on, just paint the wavy lines so that it is a spider web across all the straight lines that you have painted, and this way you will get a super easy spider web. This is very subtle. I feel like you can wear it anywhere. A spider web always makes a great and quick spooky look, and it doesn't have to be perfect. And while we're still thinking about spider webs, how about painting one on your cheek as well? For that, first of all, you will need a gray eyeshadow like this one to imitate the shadow, because we're going to make it 3D. You can skip the shadow step and just go to the next one. However, this will give it a more realistic effect, and it won't really take a lot more time. So take a flat brush and just start out the spider web here. This will be the shadow of the spider web. And once again, it doesn't have to be very neat. Stretch more in one direction and less in the other. This will kind of be the outline for it. And you can just go lightly with these movements. These will be your shadows. I think it's coming out pretty neat so far. Actually, this already looks kind of cool. You can just go with that, but I will finish the look as I have planned. And for that, I will need a thin brush, preferably with long bristles. And also a white liquid lipstick. You can also use a white face paint or a water activated eyeliner, just if you want it to last. Don't activate the cake eyeliner with water. Do it with a mixing medium like Marin paint, Marin mixing liquid, sorry, or Inglot Duraline, something like that. So just put some liquid lipstick on your brush. Don't start painting right over this shadow, but move it a little bit to the side, like a little bit left and a little bit up, for example. It doesn't have to be the same direction for you. This is to ensure that our spiderweb will cast a proper shadow. By the way, you can find the brands that make interesting liquid lipsticks like these, like white, and the codes to them linked in my description box. This is why I said you can do without the eyeshadow, because you can just flat out paint the white spiderweb, or you can do it in black perhaps. And then it won't have this 3D effect, but it will still look pretty cool and fun. Make sure you're keeping in mind that your light source is to the left and above. Don't be afraid to go with a double layer if you need to, or if you just want to. Is it perfect? No. Is it really Halloween? Yes. Is it 3D? Well, kind of yes. And since I'm already feeling like a powerful witch, me and my bestie, we cast a spell on you. If you enjoy this video, you will tap the like button so that the makeup tutorial can spread to more witches. How did I do? Good? They'll do it right? Okay. But you might ask, who is weaving all those spider webs? Where is the spider? And you will be right, we need to add the spider. For that, we're also going to use a thin brush, but a little bit thicker this time, and a black liquid lipstick. Once again, you can also use face paint or a water activated eyeliner. Just activate it with a mixing medium, not water, so that it can stay out longer. If it's just for the photos, water is fine. And so for the spider, it's pretty easy actually. You just put a circle here, like a beauty mark, and then you put another circle right next to it, a slightly bigger one. This is the body of the spider. As for its legs, we are going to use a thin brush with slightly longer bristles again, and the same liquid lipstick. And the spider has 8 legs. These will basically be 8 bent sticks. So 2 of them, 2 pairs are going forward. 1, 2 sticks, and the bend, 2 more sticks, and bend them slightly less. Now we've got 4 out of 8, And the hind legs are going to be bent backwards, just like that. Each leg is just 2 strokes. Just make sure you do them in the right directions and you're golden. And once again, you can basically just stop right here, or you can add a little bit of realism to the spider. And for that, just grab a lighter gray or a white eyeshadow. I think I'm gonna go with the white and put a little bit of it right in the middle of the spider. And this way, you're kind of giving him volume. See? You can even use a thin brush and add some brighter accents. There it is. If you want to add a 3D effect here as well, once again, grab the gray eyeshadow and just kind of duplicate the legs a little bit. Just make it subtle. And you can also add a tiny bit of shadow here, and this way the spider is sitting right on your face. Spooky! Here is the full face of Halloween in basically no time, and without having to remove the makeup. Let me know which of these 3 you will try, and if you want to see more Halloween makeup tutorials, whether simple or artistic, they're right in this playlist. I'll meet you there.